How to set up a Shopee seller account. Follow these steps. Step 1. Visit Shopee website. Go to the Shopee website or download the Shopee app on your mobile device. You can easily scan the QR code for a direct link to Shopee app. Step 2. Sign up. Click on the Sign Up or Register button. You'll need to provide a valid email address or phone number. Step 3. Account verification. Verify your account. Through the verification code is sent to your email or mobile number. Step 4. Complete your profile. Fill in your personal and store information, including your store name and a brief description. Step 5. Add products. Begin adding your products to the Shopee platform. Provide clear product images, descriptions, and set competitive prices. Step 6. Choose shipping methods. Specify your shipping methods and policies. This includes delivery time, shipping fees, and any free shipping options. Step 7. Set payment methods. Select your preferred payment methods for receiving payments from customers. Shopee supports various payment options. Step 8. Verify your identity. Complete the identity verification process to ensure the legitimacy of your seller account. This may involve submitting additional documents. Step 9. Store settings. Customize your store settings, such as return policies, customer service details, and any promotions or discounts you want to offer. Step 10. Review and launch. Double-check all your information and settings. Once satisfied, click on the appropriate button to launch your Shopee store. Step 11. Promote your store. Utilize Shopee's promotional tools to increase visibility. This may include participating in campaigns, offering discounts, or using Shopee's advertising options. Step 12. Monitor and manage. Keep track of your orders, respond promptly to customer inquiries, and manage your inventory effectively. Congratulations, you're now set up as a Shopee seller. Remember to stay engaged with your customers and continuously optimize your store for success. How commission fees are calculated. How to compute for transactions fees. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell for more updates.